Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyLuxe unboxing for December of 2022, last month of this year, and it is a Luxe, so I'm super excited about this. Let's go ahead and get right into this. I know that I received an email that they're going to be changing like a lot of things on BoxyCharm next year. I'm not quite sure everything, but this is around $60 a month, I believe. But you get over, I think it's $300 worth of products. So let's go ahead and open this and see what's inside. Okay, so this is the card, and the theme this month is, it's BoxyCharm Luxe. That's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and start looking at the products. So the first thing is this thing right here. And it looks like an eyeshadow palette. So it says it's Best Dressed Lids, Neutral and Bold, 14 matte and shimmer eyeshadows. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So this is by the brand Molly Beauty. And this is what the eyeshadows look like. It does have the mirror, which is nice. So it has 1, 2, so it looks like 2 mattes. These are semi-mattes, and the rest are all shimmers, but that looks like a really beautiful eyeshadow palette. I cannot wait to play with this palette. Today I used the, what is that one? I can't think of the name of it right now. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, but the looks that you can create with eyeshadows, I love playing with makeup. So this retails for $45, which is not bad because these eyeshadows will last you a really long time. Let me go ahead and swatch some for you. So this is the first shade. That's a matte. So it looks really pigmented. That would have looked pretty with this look today, like right here. Let's try another matte. Let's try the mattes and then a couple shimmers. So that's the other matte, and then there's this one, which is a really pretty shade. And then you're going to have this one, which is kind of a matte. Yeah, that's a matte, definitely. Okay, and let's try some shimmer. This one looks really pretty right here. This kind of greenish looking one. Very nice. It actually turns like kind of like a more of a brown on the skin. And then let's see this blue one. That is very intense. And then let's go ahead and try a lighter one. I'm gonna start using this hand. That's very pretty. And then this one I think is one that everybody's gonna really like. So let me go ahead and swatch that. Very pretty. So lots of very pretty eyeshadows, and I have them all over me now. Okay, so that's the first thing that was in the box. The second thing, this actually fell out earlier, is this right here, and it is the Weekend Glow Challenge. It's 2 lace sponge sheet mask, and I hate the name, deal with the gods. But this retails for $40, so pretty much $20 a face mask, which I love face masks. I don't use them as often as I should. I actually gave almost all of mine to my sisters, and it really didn't leave me any, so I haven't really been doing face masks, which is probably good that I got those because I can use them later. So the next thing that in the box is this big thing right here. What is this? It's called Dragon's Blood. It's cleansing water and a hydrate and tone. So it's a hydrate and toner. So this retails for $45. That's actually really cool. Let me see if it smells like anything. So it has a light, kind of like a fresh smell. So I will love this. So it's a cleansing water. I like using these for my face because I do wear these like lash extensions. They're DIY lash extensions. And so I clean around my eyes. I can't completely drench my face with water. So stuff like this, I absolutely love. So I will be using this and trying it out. I'll let you guys know later on what I think about that, but I am really excited about that. Let me go ahead and put this in the trash. Next thing in the box is this thing right here. This is by the brand Herbivore, and it is Cloud Jelly Plumping and Hydrating Serum. So that's what that looks like. So this retails for $48. I really do like serums. Ugh, I'm getting eyeshadow all over these. I just want to see what it smells like. So I don't think it's scented, which is nice if you don't like scents. So that's the next thing that I got. Let's see what else is in here. There's this thing in the corner. Dear Midnight, I think that's what it is. Let me make sure. Yeah, Dear Midnight. It is Set to Last Setting Spray, which I actually didn't use any today, so I can actually spritz this on. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. It's a really pretty bottle. And this retails for $30. So go ahead and try it. This is really nice. It has like kind of a perfume scent. It's really fine mist, so it's not going to sit there and set on your skin or drench it or anything. It's just going to set it, but it smells so good. So good. I am definitely going to be using this. I'm going to put this in my makeup bag. I'm not even going to put this back in the box because I'm definitely going to be using that. Next thing that's in the box is this right here. Oops. This was actually a choice. The box, everything in here is so light that the box is just like dumping out every time I go to grab something. This is actually a Tarte. It's the Hydroflex Tarte C foundation. It's a serum foundation, and it is, I got the shade Light Beige, which is 20B. This was a choice. I actually just got that Amazonian clay foundation by Tarte with the brush. They sent it to me, and I absolutely love that foundation. I'm actually wearing my Estee Lauder today because I wanted something a little longer wearing, but I love that. So I am so excited to see how this one works. This one looks like it's going to be more thin, but look how it blends. It's like blending right into the skin. I think this is going to be like a more everyday, and it's kind of going to seep into your skin. The other one is a full coverage, which I love me a full coverage foundation. And with my oily skin, I do have to set that, which I'll probably have to set this too because my skin is so oily. But I will be trying this out on my channel, so if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see how that foundation works. And this retails for $39, which is what the other foundation. Maybe I should do a comparison, like do half my face with this one and half my face with the other if you're looking for a Tarte foundation. I may have to do a video like that. Okay, so the next thing is this thing right here, which is a Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. I was actually looking for my other brow wax today because I was going to use it and I couldn't find it, and I forgot that I chose this. So I am really excited about this. And this retails for $23. I've actually never tried this brand. So that's what it looks like. It's just a clear wax, and you use it to like kind of just put your eyebrows up, give your eyebrows some texture, and make them look really pretty. So I will be using this. I actually have their brush, so I'll actually have to do like a full tutorial using these products, like the eyeshadow, foundation, and then that brow product, so that you guys can see what a full looks like. And then I got one more product, which is this right here, and it is by the brand Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and it is a Stunna lip paint in the color Uncensored, which is a red. You know anything about me? I love red lips. Although I haven't wore a red lip in a while, I used to wear them all the time. But I love me a red lip. So that is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful packaging. And that's what it looks like. Look at that applicator. It's not going to go really, like, I have a date later with my husband, so I'm not going to wear that tonight because I'm going to be eating steak, but that's beautiful. So I'll have to do a tutorial using all these makeups. So like I said, if you guys want to see that, don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up to let me know that you guys want to see a tutorial using all these products. Now let me go ahead and tally all this up, and I'll tell you the variation, the amount that my variation was this month. And I forgot to mention, this actually retails for $26, so not bad at all. So now let me go ahead and tally that up. So the total value of this month's box, the variation that I received, was $296, and I spent around 60 bucks. So not bad at all. I absolutely love everything that I got. I will be using everything. The only thing that I was disappointed about was this, and it's not because of the product, it's because of the name. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, God bless.